if I tell you that just 20 minutes changed my whole life, will you believe me? And today, this story will show you how giving just 20 minutes to yourself can create a big change. My name is Aura. I'm 34 years old and I live in a small, warm home with my family. I am a housewife, and honestly, my English was never very good. Whenever I saw English speakers, I used to think, will I ever speak like them? Will this ever be possible for me? Many times I felt shy. I felt scared. And sometimes I felt very small inside. One morning while folding clothes, I whispered to myself, Aura, how long will you keep waiting? And one thought came into my heart. If not now, then when will I learn? My whole day goes in cooking, cleaning, and taking care of everyone. I don't have hours to study. But I decided to give just 20 to 25 minutes to myself. So every morning before starting any work, I sit with my notebook. Some days I am tired. Some days I am slow. But I still practice. A few words, a simple sentence, or one small lesson, and slowly, very slowly, things began to change. My confidence grew. My understanding improved. And my voice became stronger and steady. For the first time in many years, I felt proud of myself. Now I tell every woman, every housewife, every learner, if I can learn, then you can learn too. If you feel scared, it's okay. If you feel slow, it's okay. Just remember, do it every day, even for 20 minutes. Because when you try, things become possible. And today, my message is simple. Don't stop learning. Don't stop believing in yourself. Your English can grow. Your confidence can grow. And your life can grow too.